Excel 2007. Hi, I'm going to show you how to carry out a simple sort of your data in Excel 2007. A couple of important points before you sort. You will get the best results if your data is arranged in continuous columns and rows, and there are column label headings on all your columns. Let's begin by clicking and dragging over the range A1 to E33. There are no blank columns or rows in the range we're going to sort. Move the mouse over cells A1 to E1, and all the columns have descriptive label headings. Because our data is well structured, I don't need to select the whole range. I can just click on any cell within the data range. Let's click on cell C10. The active cell is in column C. There are sort buttons on both the Home ribbon tab and on the Data ribbon tab, but we will use the Data ribbon tab for this exercise. Click on the Data ribbon tab and point to the Sort and Filter group. In this group of buttons, you can see the A to Z and Z to A buttons as well as a Sort button. OK, we have a cell selected in the Area column. Just click the A to Z Sort button and the data list will be sorted in alphabetical order on this column. Remember, we don't need to select the data range. As long as the data list is one continuous range of data, the sort will be performed and all the data in the other columns and rows will sort accordingly. Now look at our worksheet. The data is sorted by area with all the easts, norths, souths and wests in order. We have just sorted some text, but you can also sort numbers, currency, or dates and times. Let's sort by order value. I'm going to click into any cell in column E. This time I'll click the Z to A button. This will sort the currencies from largest to smallest. Numbers are sorted smallest to largest or largest to smallest, and dates are sorted oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Let's do one more simple sort, this time on the order date. I need to click in any cell in column A and then click the A to Z button. The rows are now shown in order date order. Clicking the A to Z button is fine if you just want to do a simple sort, but where you need to sort by more than one column, you will need to use the Sort dialog box. We will now sort by salesman and then by order date. This will group all the salespeople together and show their orders in date order. Firstly, I will make sure that I have clicked into any cell in the data range. Now click the Sort button to display the Sort dialog box. Our data list has proper column label headings, so the My Data has Headers option is ticked, and Excel will use these column headings when we are sorting. We want to sort firstly by salesperson and then by order date. I am going to click the Sort By drop-down list and choose Salesman. I just want to sort in alphabetical order, so I am going to choose Values. And then from the Order drop-down list, choose A to Z. Now we want to add a second sort. I am going to click the Add Level button at the top of the dialog box. This has added another level that I can complete. In the drop-down, Then By list, I am going to select Order Date. Now I'll choose Values. I want the orders sorted, so I can see the most recent order at the top of the worksheet for each salesperson. So in the order drop-down list, I'm going to choose newest to oldest. Before I click OK to perform the sort, just have a look at the other options in the sort dialog box. If you needed to sort by more than 2 levels, you would click the Add Level button for further sort levels. If you needed to change the order of the sort levels, there is an option to move the levels up or down. Because the sort dialog box will remember the last sort settings, the next time you use it, you may need to delete one or more sort levels, so you would need to click the Delete Level button. Right, let's click OK and perform the sort. The sort dialog box is closed and the sort is performed.